Hi. Hi. Hey, come on in.
I'm crying.
Hi.
Posing for you.
Look at him.
Posing.
Oh my God.
Automatic.
Look what we have for you, Logan.
Oh, goodness. How can you sleep through this? Like you barely
Oh my
touch
God, he
Yeah, I'm
doesn't even
gonna
look
sleep
like a
out here.
newborn.
Go kiss
Yeah.
him.
Your
He's
son
good
is
to
very
kiss.
adept at changing diapers that we've never thought. Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You're taken.
Gosh,
We just
take
had
him,
we had him
take
prepped
him.
for you.
And prep
Had
for
him
me.
prepped
Let me
for
say
you.
hello first.
How are you? What is that little thing
You
you're
too.
doing?
Here.
She's like,
How you doing? Good. How you doing? Good.
Hi, I'm good. Is that a friend? Hi. Nice to meet you.
yeah, it was like, she can't wait.
Hello. I'm your grandma. Are you gonna cry?
See, maybe and I'll stop. I cried and then I'll stop.
Mwah.
There you go.
He doesn't like kisses. I don't care. I don't care.
Yeah, I think she did that on purpose.
I don't care.
Probably.
I love
She
you.
probably pinched it, but she wasn't.
I love you. Yes, I do.
A little guy.
He's looking at you, Dave. He's just looking.